Are you wondering if your iPhone has ever been to a repair shop? There are a few advanced methods and indicators that may suggest whether your iPhone has been repaired in the past. So, without wasting any more time, let's find out whether your iPhone is repaired or not. Method 1. Check True Tone and Face ID. Open Control Center. Tap and hold Brightness slider. Check True Tone. If this option is missing, that means this device is 100% repaired. When someone opens an iPhone, True Tone is the first thing that goes away from iPhone. Method 2. Check Face ID. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Face ID and passcode. If you see this feature is not working or gives you different error, cloud means that this device has gone to repair store. Method 3. Check whether it's refurbished or not. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap General, tap About. Look at the second model number. Here, take a look at first letter of the model. Look for the model number. It should start with MF. Try understanding the model prefix. If this starts with M, this indicates a new factory-sealed iPhone. If this starts with F, this indicates a refurbished phone. If your model number starts with F, it means your iPhone is a certified refurbished device. That means this device has gone to the Apple repair store. By following these steps, you should have a clear idea of whether your iPhone has been repaired or replaced. Let me know if these steps helped or if you have further questions.